said it's gonna be called Haiti. Because now that I'm here, it's Haiti. Haiti means mountains.
Do some tricks or something. Turn around this side.
He discovered it, but who was already there? Taino and Arawak Indians.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
He is our hero.
What? Go get
Her parents were dead, the family home had collapsed on them, and she was trapped. Winnie, not quite 2 years old, was facing near certain death. It had been nearly 3 days since the walls of her home came down on her. People digging nearby and could hear sounds coming from underneath the rubble. Neighbors and the camera crew were able to pull Winnie out of the pile of debris under which her parents had died, and her uncle was there waiting for her.
And while my thoughts wander, I don't know where to start. Forgive me for what I speak. Emotions leaking from my heart. But before I continue, I hope my words reach you. Light is up for Haiti. Such a beautiful people, such a beautiful country. Do they deserve to suffer? Such a beautiful nation, such a beautiful culture. And while my heart is racing, and I address the topic, what's the reason they're facing something so catastrophic? And while I search for answers and balance my thoughts equal, all I can come up with is God is testing the people. It's so incredible to witness the strength of the righteous and a clear example of how we come together in crisis. But the point I'm trying to make is that we shouldn't slack to come together like this when it's after the fact. We'll see the heroes that we had when it rains and it showers. See how the blessing manifests. Unity is power. And there is no question that we are here to stay.